As Maharashtra gears up for its November 20th Assembly elections, 4,136 candidates are vying for 288 seats with 2,086 running as independents. The results set to be announced on November 23rd come amidst a politically fragmented landscape following splits in the Shiv Sena and Nationalist Congress party in recent years. This has put many in Maharashtra in a conundrum. Who's on what team? So let's first look at the key alliances and the candidate distribution. The ruling Mahayuti alliance features Bharatiya Janata Party with 149 candidates, Shiv Sena Eknath Shinde faction with 81 candidates, NCP Ajit Pawar faction with 59 candidates. Now let's look at the opposition Mahavikas Aghadi. Congress has fielded 101 candidates. Shiv Sena Uddhav Thackeray faction UBT has fielded 95 candidates, and NCP Sharad Pawar faction is out there with 86 candidates. So I hope that gave you some clarity. Now let's look at the key candidates and their battlegrounds. Number 1, Eknath Shinde versus Kedar Dikhe. Eknath Shinde, defending his stronghold in Thane, faces the nephew of his late mentor Anand Dikhe, Kedar Dikhe. Shinde, who was elected in 2004, has won 3 consecutive terms in the restructured Kopri Pachpakhari constituency. The local appeal of Kedar, the Thane district chief of UBT, could provide a tough challenge. Next is Nagpur South West constituency, wherein Devendra Fadnavis faces Praful Vinod Rao Gudhade. Now, BJP stalwart and former CM Devendra Fadnavis faces anti-incumbency sentiment as he seeks his 6th consecutive term. Nagpur, his political stronghold since 1997, has supported him in 5 straight elections. Now, this time he faces Congress's Praful, hoping to leverage the anti-incumbency wave. Next is Baramati constituency, where Ajit Pawar faces Yukendra Pawar. In this highly charged family feud, Ajit Pawar, the Deputy Chief Minister and long-time Baramati leader, faces his nephew Yukendra Pawar, backed by Sharad Pawar. Following the Nationalist Congress party split, Supriya Sule's backing of Yukendra adds fuel to the rivalry. Ajit remains confident, but the backing of his uncle may turn the tide in favor of Yukendra. Next big battleground is Worli constituency, with Aditya Thackeray facing Milind Deora. Aditya Thackeray's bid for a 2nd term is challenged by Milind Deora of the Shinde Sena. Thackeray, who is the first member of his family to enter electoral politics, won comfortably in 2019. However, Deora, a former Congress leader and union minister, joined Shinde Sena just before the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. Deora's candidacy presents a major test for the legacy of Uddhav Thackeray. Now let's look at the Bandra East constituency, where Zishan Siddiqui faces Varun Sardesai. In this Muslim-majority constituency, Varun Sardesai, nephew of Uddhav Thackeray, takes on Zishan Siddiqui, who is campaigning on a sympathy wave following his father's murder. This seat is home to the Thackeray residence, Matoshri, and the Bandra Kurla complex. It also sees a challenge from MNS's Thrupati Sawant and Shinde Sena-backed independent Kunal Sarmotkar. Next up is Latur constituency. The Deshmukh brothers, sons of late Chief Minister Vilas Rao Deshmukh, aim to defend their family legacy here. Now, Dheeraj Deshmukh faces Ramesh Karad in Latur rural, while Amit Deshmukh battles Archana Chakurkar. Chakurkar's strong backing from the Lingayat and OBC communities could make this a close race. Next up is Mahim constituency, where Amit Thackeray faces Mahesh Sawant. A high-stakes 3-way battle for the political future of the Shiv Sena's legacy. Shinde Sena's Sada Sarvankar and UBT's Mahesh Sawant were already in a tight contest, but the entry of Amit Thackeray, son of Raj Thackeray, adds intensity to this crucial race. Lastly, the Mumba Devi constituency, where Shaina NC is fighting against Amin Patel. Shaina NC will be facing Amin Patel, Congress's strong candidate who has held the seat since 2009. Patel is counting on his Muslim-majority voter base for support. Well, that's not all on the candidates list. There are more high-stakes battles, and to read up who's fighting whom in which constituency, head to our website, theindianexpress.com, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, The Indian Express. Thank you so much for watching.